Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sittarpeedam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to explain in 8 stages Shiva is present. In 8 stages Shiva is present. Tirumular explains this in his first hymn. He is explaining how he is present in 8 stages. He says, One Avandane. If you want to say he is one, then he is Shiva. Irand Avan Innarul. He becomes two with his Parashakti. And he stands in three. The three can be explained as Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, or Pasupadi, Pasa, or Shiva, Shakti, Vishnu. And he knows the four. Four means four Vedas. In Tamil, Aram, Porul, Inbam, Veed. There is a classification in Tamil Siddha group as Aram, Porul, Inbam, Veed. Then he is present and transcends the 5 Jnanendriyas. Aindu Vendanan. And he is an Aru Virindanan. He expands as 6 Adaras. And he, after transcending the 6 Adaras, he turns Elumbar Chandanan. He reaches Sahasrara and he is the 7 wells. When a yogi realizes he is present in the Guru Mandala and he becomes Siddha. So, this energy, Shiva energy is present in 8 stages. If he is one, he is the final energy. Beyond that, nothing. He is present in everything. He is without the energy movement of that energy, nothing can move. All the tattvas originating, starting from earth, Panchabhutas, and permutation and combination of Panchabhutas, all are under the control of that one and the final energy. They work out from the command of that energy. Finally, they merge with that energy. They come out of the energy and finally merge in that energy. That is called Shiva energy. When the same energy is in different forms, 2 forms, potential energy and kinetic energy. Static energy or dynamic energy. Static energy or potential energy is Shiva form. And when it assumes the form of kinetic energy, we call it as Parashakti. Para means present everywhere. Shakti means energy. So they are the unseen energy present in all unseen and seen matters. So when we classify the one energy, then we classify it as, when we say as 2, it is like sun and rays, flower and its smell. Both are inseparable, one and the same. No rays without sun. The same, the ray is compared to Parashakti, and the sun is the source of that ray, source of that energy is Shiva. The source is Shiva and the expression is Parashakti. The same way the flower is Shiva and the smell is like that of Parashakti. So the one can be divided and explained in terms of 2. Again, Tirumular classifies in the same energy in 3 matters. 3. They are present in the 3 means there is present as Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra. This is the Trinity in Hinduism. Trinity. The Godheads. Brahma the creating force, Vishnu the preserving force, and Rudra is a dissolving force. This Trinity is also worshipped as one, and this is called Tattatreya. Tattatreya having 3 heads. 3-headed deity is called Tattatreya. So these 3 can also be classified as Pasupadi Pasam. Shiva is present as Pasupadi Pasam. Atman, matter and God. Man, matter and God. These three is also Shiva's energy. They are also inside that Shiva energy. So the three can also be classified into three types of Anava, Karma and Maya. They are also three. Is the present energy present in Anava, is present energy in Karma. Without the divine energy, you cannot perform karma. The individual energy should coincide with, merge with that divine energy. Then only all kinds of action, whether bad, good or bad, they originate. That can be carried out only if the divine will coincide with your individual will. So Anava, Karma and Ego, these three are also within Shiva energy is divided into three. So three types of students are also there. Three types of these from Sagalar, Pralayagalar and Vijnanagalar. Sagala is a student with three malas. Pralayagala is a student with two malas, and Vijnanagala is a student with one mala. When he becomes Nimala, he becomes Shiva. So God is approachable to man in three stages. Vandahi, Udanahi, Verahi. He is present as in third person. He can be seen in second person, and he can see in first person. The starting stage, people see him as the third person. That is a temple worship. You see the divine energy as an external force acting from a different angle, externally. Then that is that person. When he tries more and more, and when he approaches God with certain sincerity and yogic effort or something, jnana effort or any path, and he comes closer, the God who appeared in the distance as third person reaches the devotee near, and it becomes second person. So God communicates with him through his counterpart, wife or husband, or through friends. He communicates. Now he is very closer. When the yogi goes deep into meditation, he will reveal himself from his self, innermost self is Shiva himself. These are the three ways he is communicating three times. Then what happens? This Guru is also coming in the form of three forms. Sometimes for ordinary person, Shiva assumes the body of ordinary person and comes and teaches. For the Pralayagala, he assumes the form of his worship and communicates and gives advice. And for the Jnani, he reveals the Jnana from within himself. So these are the three. He is present in these three stages. And about four. Four means he knows all he is Veda himself. The four Vedas are the body of Shiva. The four Vedas are the knowledge. Knowledge always speaks of Shiva. He is the hero of the four Vedas. So, see the four Vedas, among the four Vedas, the central portion is Sri Rudram. In the central portion of Sri Rudram, the Namasivaya letters, 5 letters, holy letters are there. Nadam Namam Namasivaya. In Tamil hymns it is told is the name of Shiva himself. The 5 letters representing different philosophical things are maybe termed as his name also. Such the things say he is present in the four Vedas. And he is also present in your Jnana-indriyas. Jnana-indriyas, actually the spiritual energy is going out and getting connected, and it is with the material world through 5 senses, Jnana-indriyas. You have to transcend the Jnana-indriyas and save the energy and become Shiva. All these processes happening within this energy. In Jnana-indriya also, the energy flow also, Shiva is there in 5 divisions. Then the six, he is present as six in the six adharas. The six adharas are energy centers. You have to activate them and make them as chakras. When these they become chakras and the energy goes around the adharas, Kundalini crosses and transcends the six adharas. So now Shiva is present in man as six adharas. And when you transcend it, you reach Sahasrara, then six adhara plus one Sahasrara becomes seven. Now Shiva is present in seven stages. These seven represent the seven logas or planes of consciousness or logas. Shiva himself. When the yogi transcends these seven worlds and reaches his Guru Mandala, he becomes realized. So far he acquires knowledge. The acquired knowledge is different and the realization is different. When he realizes, he gets rid of all tattvas and he becomes and stays as Shiva himself out of realization. That realization, that the eighth stage, that realization is also Shiva energy. Here the Atma merges with Shiva. So these are the exercises. This energy division is there through yoga. You can release yourself one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, and finally when you get fully realized, you become one with Shiva in the eighth stage. That is the practice of Shiva Yoga. Shiva Yoga makes Jiva Shiva. Other yogas give exercise. Exercise only people are following the exercise portion, asanas and breathing portion, pranayama. You have to cross further. Pratyahara is there. Dharana is there. Pratyahara is withdrawal of five senses. Very, very important. Dharana is to, you have to, dharana means to identify. You have to identify yourself as Shiva. Shivoham, Shivoham. Then you have to enter into meditation and enter into samadhi, deep meditation. Then only you can enter the Maha Samadhi. Maha Samadhi means samadhi means equal to. You becomes equal to Adi, the initial souls. The initial and final souls is called Adi, and here the Jiva becomes equal to the final one. That's merger happens. So Shiva Yoga is the process of stage by stage merger of Atman into the final energy. The practice is given by me. I am giving practicals in different forms to different persons, eligible persons. Those who need may contact me. Thank you.